In Module 10, we built our first two calculated insight, total lifetime spent and days since last purchase. Now we are going to build those to create one of the most widely used framework in customer analytics, the RFM score. RFM stand for Recency, Frequency, and Monetary. Recency asks, how recently did this customer buy? A customer who bought yesterday is more engaged than the one who bought a year ago. Frequency asks, how often do they buy? The customer with 10 purchases is more valuable than a one time buyer. And monetary asks, how much do they spend? A customer who spends 600 is more valuable than one who spends 50. By scoring customers on all these three dimensions on a 1 to 5 scale and combining them, you get a composite score from 3 to 15 that tells you at a glance how valuable and engaged each customer is. The power of RFM is that it naturally groups customer into actionable categories. High scores to all three, 13 to 15, are your champions. These are your best customers and you want to reward and grow them. Scores around 10 to 12 are loyal customer. Great customer keep retaining and upselling. Mid scores are potential, they are engaged but haven't reached their full value. And low score, especially where monetary was once high but recency has dropped, are at risk or dormant customer that needs a win back strategy. Here are the specific scoring threshold for software. For recency, purchase within 30 days gets a 5 down to 180 plus getting a 1. For frequency, 5 or more purchase is a 5 down to 1 being down to 1 purchase being a 1. For monetary, over 400 spent is a 5, under 75 is a 1. These thresholds are tuned for software data in a real project. You calibrate them based on your actual data distribution. There is something really powerful about how we are building the RFM score. It chains together previously created calculated insight. The recency score insight reads from the days since last purchase insight we built in module 10. The frequency score reads from the total purchase count. The monetary score reads from the total lifetime spent, and the final RFM score combines all these scoring insight. This is a modular approach. Each building block is independently testable. If your RFM score seems wrong, you can check each component individually to find where the issue is. And if Shopware decides to change the scoring threshold later, you only need to update the specific score. Here's what we expect the RFM result to look like for software customer. Jennifer Rodriguez with 7 purchases across all channels, nearly 580 in spend, and a relatively recent last purchase should score as a champion at 14. Michelle is a loyal customer at 11, and James, who has fewer purchases and hasn't bought recently, is at risk at 6. These scores directly map to different marketing strategies. Look at how RFM analysis guides Shopware marketing strategies. For champions like Jennifer, you don't need discount, they buy anyway. Give them exclusive perks and early access. For at-risk customer, you run a personalized win-back campaign. For new customers with high recency but low frequency, you focus on building the purchase habit with a second purchase incentive. RFM turns your unified data into a clear action plan. So, quick recap. Our calculated insight library is now complete for Shopsphere. 7 insight from simple metrics to a full RFM scoring model. In the next module, segmentation, we are going to use all these intelligence to build targeted customer audience. The hard work is done.